I have already discussed about general fraction. I have made 4 to 5 videos upon general fraction. Actually, there are two types of fraction: general fraction and decimal fraction. We have already discussed about general fraction, and now we will read about decimal fraction. So I will write some example of decimal fraction. जैसे ये 0.7, 3. You see, these are all examples of decimal fraction. In order to write a decimal fraction, we use a point, and this point is called your decimal point. ये point को हमने क्या बोलते हैं?
डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन
डेसिमल
फॉर्म,
उसको हमने डेसिमल पॉइंट कहते हैं.
पॉइंट.
और जैसे ये यू सी है, जैसे 9826 है, ये सपोज 4568 है. यू सी है, दिस इज द राइट हैंड साइड टू द डेसिमल पॉइंट, एंड दिस इज योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, एंड we read this decimal fraction. We read this decimal fraction as 9826 point. We read this as a 4568. We read this as a 4568. But we don't read this 9826 point 4568.
Yes, sir.
Now the question arises, why I am reading the left hand side as usual. Left hand side जैसे लिखा है ऐसे पढ़ रहा है.
हाँ.
लेकिन राइट हैंड साइड को मैंने 4568 नहीं पढ़ रहा. इसका रीजन क्या है? इसका रीजन क्या है? क्योंकि when we will consider the place value of each and every digit in the decimal quantity, then we can know why we are reading the left hand side as usual and why we are reading the right hand path to the decimal point decimal point not as usual, not as usual, but we read this as 4568 instead of 4568. Actually, the value of right hand side, whatever to the right, this is the less than 1. This is the less than 1. This is the less than 1. So, मतलब ये 456.4568. It is the less than 1. It is the less than 1. So, the total fraction 9826.4568. It is the less than 9827. क्योंकि 9826 का नेक्स्ट नंबर होता है 9827 होता है, और ये एक से कम है, एक से कम है. इसका मतलब 9826 के साथ अगर हमने 0.4568 मिला है, ये एक से कम है, तो ये कभी भी 9827 नहीं बनेगा. So it is less than 9827. Okay.
Sir,
Now,
doubt, sir. That why we are reading that 4, 5, 6, 8.
I am coming to that point. You have asked a very good question. You sit there and make the video. Now we will come to the place value. Place value. Why it is less than 1? I will come. You say 6 का place value. Yeah, it is 6. 2 का place value. 20, because 2 is in the 10th place.
Yes.
8 is in the 100 place.
8 and 8.
ये 9 का जो place value, ये 9000. लेकिन you say ये पॉइंट के बाद दोनों साइड का हाफ प्लस शुरू होता है, हाफ प्लस शुरू होता है. ये 5 is in the second place, 6 is in the third place, 8 is in the fourth place. अभी ये 4 का प्लस वैल्यू, 4 का प्लस वैल्यू 4, ये फर्स्ट प्लस पर है, इसलिए 1 में 1 0, 1 में 1 0
30
और 8 का कितना में डिवाइड करेंगे?
8 by 10,000
8 में
सर 10,000 10,000
इसमें 4 जीरो है। लेकिन यहाँ पर जैसे यहाँ पर 1 प्लस 10 प्लस 100 प्लस 1000 प्लस ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ऐसा नहीं होता है। ऐसा हम लोग कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं, कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं। So its table will be like this. According to the those who have written the mathematics, they have decided like this. So we have to read like this. Samjhana, you cannot ask me why.
yes sir
Okay. So if I will add 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 6 by 1000 and 8 by 10,000, you will add at home. You can see LCM will come 10,000, and if you will add, you will get 4 by 4,568. तो अभी बताओ, मेरे पास 4,568 लड्डू है, मैं 10,000 का बच्चों के बीच में बांटूंगा, तो किसको भी एक मिलेगा क्या?
नहीं
नहीं मिलेगा। इसका मतलब it is less than 1.
Yes.
It is a proper fraction. It is a proper
fraction
fraction. So ये whole is a decimal fraction because the right hand side, whatever we write to the right of the decimal point, actually that is a fractional part. That is a fractional part. We can write this as 98226.4568. We can write this like plus 0.4568. Are you clear? Suppose I am writing 0.782. मतलब I can write like this 0.782. If there is nothing to the left of the decimal point, then we can consider 0. We can consider
रो
0. So okay, today is only this one.
Thank you.
Today is only this one.
टेल लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब